A very warm welcome back to the channel. They say you never get a second chance to make a first impression, and in the world of interior design, your entryway serves as the definitive prologue to your home's narrative. It is the critical transition point where the chaos of the outside world is shed, and the sanctuary of the home begins. In today's video, we are breaking down the most exclusive entryway decor ideas for 2026. We are officially moving into an era defined by sensory luxury, a design philosophy where spaces don't just look expensive but feel deeply curated, intentional, and immersive. This shift moves away from the sterile minimalism of previous years toward a quiet luxury that prioritizes tactile richness and emotional resonance. Whether you're working with a grand, double-height foyer or a compact, urban hallway, I'm sharing the professional design pillars you need to elevate your home's entrance to a 5-star international standard. 1. The concept of sensory luxury. Sensory luxury in 2026 is about engaging all 5 senses to create an immediate feeling of prestige. Sight, moving beyond color palettes to light layering. This involves using hidden LED coves, sculptural sconces, and floor-level wash lighting to create depth and drama. Touch, incorporating high-contrast textures. Think of a home travertine console table paired with a hand-knotted silk rug and fluted plaster walls. Scent, the Olfactory signature. Integrated scent diffusion systems or bespoke ceramic vessels featuring notes of sandalwood, leather, or rare oud are now considered essential architectural elements. Point 2. Architectural statements and millwork. For 2026, the entryway is no longer just a room for furniture, it is a showcase of architectural detail. Monolithic consoles, we are seeing a rise in custom-built, floor-to-ceiling stone consoles that appear to grow out of the floor. Integrated joinery. For smaller hallways, invisible storage is key. Bespoke millwork with touch latch mechanisms allows you to hide coats and shoes behind panels that look like decorative wood fluting or high-end wallpaper. Arch transitions, softening the entry with softened corners and radius edges creates a more fluid, welcoming energy than sharp, 90-degree angles. Point 3. Materiality and color palettes. The 2026 palette is grounded in earthbound opulence. The new neutrals move away from cool grays and toward warm stone, mushroom, and deep ochre. These colors provide a sophisticated warmth that feels timeless. Mixed metals. The trend is shifting toward living finishes, unlacquered brass and blackened steel that patina over time, telling a story of the home's age and character. Sustainable rare woods, ethically sourced walnut and charred oak, shosugiban, are being used in entryways to provide a grounding, organic element against polished stone floors. Point 4. Scaling for the space. The grand foyer, focus on a centerpiece moment. A large-scale sculptural table or a singular, oversized botanical arrangement creates a focal point that anchors the vastness of the room. The compact hallway, utilize vertical expansion. Use floor-to-ceiling mirrors with antiqued glass finishes to double the perceived space without the harsh glare of standard mirrors. Floating furniture pieces keep the floor visible, which tricks the eye into seeing more square footage. Point 5. Curated artistry. In 2026, the entryway functions as a private gallery. Instead of mass-produced decor, focus on hero pieces. Functional art, a bench that looks like a museum sculpture or a coat hook that resembles hand-cast jewelry. Biophilic integration, moving beyond the standard potted plant to living art. Integrated moss walls or rare, architectural indoor trees like the African candelabra or a matured olive tree, lit from below to cast dramatic shadows. By focusing on these intentional details, you transform your entryway from a mere passage into a destination that sets a high-end, sophisticated tone for the rest of your home. Let's dive into the visual breakdowns. The interior design landscape for 2026 marks a definitive departure from the clinical gallery-wide minimalism that dominated the early 2020s. In its place emerges monochromatic depth, a sophisticated design philosophy centered on the quiet luxury movement. This aesthetic prioritizes sensory experience, architectural permanence, and a rich, earthen color story. 1. The palette, layered earth tones. Rather than relying on high-contrast accents, the 2026 look utilizes a narrow color corridor to create a sense of cocooning luxury. Base layers, creams and ivories, these serve as the foundation, providing a soft, reflective quality that prevents the space from feeling heavy. Midtones, sands and taupes, these transitional shades bridge the gap between light and dark, adding warmth and a naturalistic, sun-bleached quality. Anchor tones, chocolates and espressos used in furniture or deep architectural shadows. These dark browns provide the weight necessary to make a room feel grounded and expensive. Point 2. Artisanal wall treatments, beyond flat pigment. To achieve depth within a single color family, the flat finish of traditional latex paint is replaced by artisanal, light diffusing mediums. Lime wash paint, a mineral-based finish that creates a soft, mottled appearance. Its high pH level makes it naturally mold-resistant and breathable, while its matte, suede-like texture catches light at different angles, creating a living wall. Venetian plaster, for a more high-end, polished look, layered plaster provides a marble-like depth. It offers a tactile, cool-to-the-touch surface that suggests historical permanence and custom craftsmanship. Micro cement, often used to create a seamless transition from walls to floors, reinforcing the architectural, monolithic feel of the space. Point 3. Materiality and furniture, the monolithic approach. The 2026 trend emphasizes seamlessness, where furniture appears to be an extension of the room's architecture rather than a separate addition. Tonal stone consoles, materials such as travertine, Roman stone, or honed beige marble are preferred. By matching the stone's hue to the wall color, the piece takes on a sculptural, carved from one block aesthetic, textural contrast. Because the color palette is restrained, visual interest is generated through tactile friction. This involves pairing a rough, lime-washed wall with a smooth stone table, a heavy linen sofa, and a high-pile wool rug. Architectural silhouettes. Furniture moves away from spindly legs toward heavy, pedestal bases and soft, radius edges, echoing the curves found in natural landscapes. Point 4. Lighting and atmosphere. In a monochromatic environment, lighting is the final layer of paint. Grazing light, positioned close to plastered walls, recessed lighting grazes the surface to highlight the physical texture of the lime wash. Warm dimming, utilizing 2700K to 2200K color temperatures, enhances the chocolate and sand tones, turning the space into a glowing, amber-hued sanctuary during evening hours. In 2026, the transition from utility to art lighting marks a shift in residential luxury. Standard flush mounts are being replaced by oversized, sculptural pendants that serve as the visual anchor of the home's entry point. Design language. The trend favors organic, asymmetrical silhouettes that mimic natural forms, clouds, river stones, or skeletal branches. Material innovation. Sustainability is the primary driver of high-end manufacturing. Recycled glass, hand-blown techniques using 100% post-consumer glass create unique ripples and bubbles, ensuring no two fixtures are identical. Hand-carved wood. Responsibly sourced hardwoods, walnut, charred oak, are treated with natural oils rather than synthetic lacquers to emphasize raw grain patterns. Illumination tech. Integration of soft tech allows these fixtures to adjust color temperature automatically, transitioning from a crisp 4000K during daylight to a warm, amber 2200K in the evening to enhance architectural shadows. 2. The hero piece philosophy. High-end design in 2026 moves away from the maximalist clutter of previous years, adopting a gallery minimalist approach. The goal is to create a high-impact first impression through singular, high-quality investments. The curved bench, eschewing sharp angles, the 2026 hallway features soft, radius-edged seating. Materials include boucle, mohair, or smooth cast plaster. This piece serves both a functional purpose and a structural one, softening the narrow lines of a corridor. The vintage pedestal, sourcing one-of-a-kind antique plinths, crafted from travertine, marble, or reclaimed timber, adds a sense of history and quiet luxury. These are used to display a single ceramic vessel or a digital art frame. 3. Spatial composition and the breathable gap. The hallmark of an expensive look is the intentional use of negative space. Visual breathing room. Design experts emphasize leaving 30 to 40% of the wall and floor space unoccupied. This directs the eye specifically to the hero piece and the sculptural lighting, preventing visual fatigue. Scale and proportion. 2026 trends favor the 1.5x rule, where a single decorative element is scaled 1.5 times larger than traditionally expected for the space. This creates a sense of grandeur and confidence, signaling that the homeowner prioritizes quality over quantity. 4. Technical implementation details. Placement. Pendants should be hung so the lowest point is at least 7 feet from the floor to maintain sightlines while remaining a dominant visual feature. Wall treatments. To complement sculptural furniture, walls are moving toward tactile finishes like lime wash or micro cement, which provide a matte, stone-like backdrop that doesn't compete with the art pieces. The evolution of luxury entryways in 2026 transcends mere aesthetics, focusing on the philosophy of quiet luxury and functional minimalism. Nothing compromises a high-end atmosphere faster than visual noise, therefore, the modern foyer must act as a sophisticated transition zone that clears the mind and resets the senses. Invisible storage and architectural integration. The trend of invisible storage involves custom millwork designed to mimic architectural features rather than furniture. Seamless, handleless cabinetry, often finished in lime wash, Venetian plaster, or matched wood veneers, allows storage to disappear into the vertical planes of the room. By utilizing push-to-open mechanisms and floor-to-ceiling panels, homeowners can conceal bulky items like coats, seasonal footwear, and tech charging stations. This hidden mudroom approach ensures that the entryway maintains a gallery-like purity, regardless of the household's daily activity. The art of functional curation. For those seeking immediate upgrades without a full renovation, the tray method remains the gold standard for organization. A heavy, honed marble tray, specifically in high-contrast stones like Calicata viola or Nero Marquina, serves as a designated anchor for daily essentials. By corralling keys, mail, and sunglasses into a singular, intentional boundary, you transform clutter into a curated vignette. To enhance this look, pair the tray with a singular sculptural object or a small, seasonal floral arrangement to establish a sophisticated focal point. Olfactory architecture and sensory design. True luxury is a multi-sensory experience that begins the moment the door opens. In 2026, signature scenting is treated with the same importance as paint color or lighting. Olfactory branding within the home creates an immediate emotional anchor for guests. High-quality cold air nebulizers or ultrasonic diffusers provide a consistent, subtle fragrance without the maintenance or soot of traditional candles. Sandalwood and oud, these base notes provide a grounding, earthy warmth that feels established and expensive. Leather and amber, these scents evoke the heritage of luxury craftsmanship. Bergamot and violet leaf, these top notes add a crisp, clean edge reminiscent of a 5-star boutique hotel. Transforming your entryway is the fastest way to increase the perceived value of your entire home. Which of these 2026 trends are you planning to try? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our luxury design deep dives. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.